Once a physical inventory document has been created and the actual count has been conducted, the results must be entered into the system. To do this, we'll use transaction code MI04 and press enter. The first field is the physical inventory document that was created previously. If you don't have the document number, we can search for it using /n T-code MI22. Enter material number EPAD 1000 and plant code MI00 and press execute button. Now we can see that our document number is 1000007. Let's go back to MI04. Enter /n MI04 and press enter. So we'll paste it into this field. Next, we had to enter the fiscal year. We'll enter 2023. We also had to enter the day the count was conducted on. The system defaults this field to today, and we will leave that. We're now ready to enter the count results, so we'll press enter. This brings us to the inventory count collective processing screen. Our material from the physical inventory document is auto-populated, and this count was conducted on material EPAD 1000. In the quantity field, we'll enter the result of our count, which was 1990. We're now ready to post this, so we'll press the save button. The system gives us a success message that our count has been entered for our physical inventory document.